Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, got another wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch from KUTIME or KUTIME. Not sure the name. Definitely a dope controller. I've already opened this up and paired it to my system, but I'm gonna pull it out the box so you can get a good look at it. Comes with everything you need in the box. Controller, USB-C charging cable, a couple books, you don't need that. Bubble wrap for protection. Now, what I do like about this controller, as opposed to the other one you saw in the review, was this one's a little bigger, and I got bigger hands. So this one, I definitely say I rock with. I like the color scheme as well. It comes pre-charged. Only thing I will say is to turn it on, because it looks like it has different modes. I'm only concerned with the Switch mode because I needed a wireless controller for my kids on a quest to get 3 to 4 wireless controllers outside of my Pro controller, so I don't have to worry about them breaking mine. So I got these. These are sub 25, 30, 35, 40 buck controllers, as opposed to $70 for the first party one. So to pair it into Switch mode, you're gonna hold the home button and B. And then it's gonna pair up my Switch and be ready to go. Like I said, very tactile buttons. Everything has a pretty nice travel. There's rumble feature enabled. You got your home button. You got your picture button. You got your start and select. So everything is there. Definitely a win. And for the price, you can't go wrong. Check out everything below. I hope you enjoy it. KUTIME or KUTIME. Maybe I should reach out to ask them how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna call it the KUTIME wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch. Definitely a dope pickup. I hope you guys enjoy it.